Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Social Security account. Access MySSA online step by step clearly. Open a secure web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari on your computer or phone. Type SSA.gov into the address bar and press enter. On the Social Security website, find and click the Sign In button. Select the option that says My Social Security to continue. You will be taken to the secure login page for MySSA. Check that the web address begins with HTTPS and shows SSA.gov for safety. Choose your sign-in method, such as login, Gov, or ID. Me, if you are prompted. If you already have a login, Gov account, click Sign In with Login, Gov. Enter your email address and password for login, Gov. Then continue. Complete the security step, such as a text code, authentication app code, or security key. If you already have an ID, Me account, click Sign In with ID, Me instead. Enter your ID, Me email and password, then follow the verification prompts. If you do not have an account, click Create an account on the method you choose. Carefully enter your personal information exactly as it appears on your records. Create a strong password and save it in a secure place. Set up multi-factor authentication to protect your account from unauthorized access. Follow the identity verification steps, which may include documents and a selfie scan. After verification, return to the MySSA login page if you are not redirected automatically. Sign in again using the same method you just created and verified. Once logged in, you will see your My Social Security dashboard. Review your profile details and confirm your contact information is correct. Use the menu to view your Social Security statement and earnings record. Navigate to Benefits or Payments to check benefit details if available for your account. Look for messages or notifications to read any official updates from Social Security. If you forget your password, use the Forgot Password link on the sign-in page. If you have trouble receiving codes, update your authentication method in your sign-in provider settings. Always sign out when you finish, especially on shared or public devices. Close your browser tab after signing out for extra security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.